Hello everybody, it's your boy Desi here with another video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to install the GCC command on Windows 11. So let's begin. First thing that you want to install is MSys which is pretty much like a collection of tools and programs necessary for your C or general programming journey. So yeah, first install MSys by clicking on this exe button, and then magic, it will install the program. Aha, wonderful. After installing the package, you will be given a lot of programs. So you might be wondering, which program should I select? If you demand newer technologies and like newer libraries, use UCRT64. If you need more stability and access to older libraries, then go with the MinGW64. Other things, I don't know, search it up, but these two are most commonly used. So yeah, for the sake of this video we'll be using the MinGW64. So after it's installed, go to here, and then you want to go on the MSys page and copy this GCC installation prompt. So go to here, just go right click, paste and enter. Click yes, I've already installed it, so that's why it says warning. Okay, the next thing, you can see like whether or not GCC has been successfully installed by typing GCC dash or slash version, and now it should provide you with the data. If like it says GCC version and whatnot, then it's installed. Now we have to link this command and function so Visual Studio Code recognizes where to look for the information. Okay, important thing, take note of where you initially installed GCC. So for example, if you installed GCC using the UCRT version of the program, then put the path of UCRT64, because otherwise Visual Studio Code will search for a path where you didn't install GCC. Make sure that is taken into consideration. Now you want to look for the MC64 folder, which should by default be located on the C drive. So now you want to go to here and look for, as I said, the version of the program where you initially installed GCC. In our case it's the MinGW64. Go to the bin and then directly copy the path from the address bar. So copy it. Then you want to go to advanced system properties, environment variables, look for system variables and look for the path. Now select edit and you want to paste that path here. So new and bam, paste it, enter, and you successfully added the link for the GCC command. Make sure it's there, click OK, and now it should be applied to Visual Studio Code, and now it can detect it. Now go to your preferred version of Visual Studio, go to terminal, and again we can use the GCC version command in order to check its functionality. As you can see, it's installed properly, and yeah, pretty much that's it. Have a nice one. Subscribe, like for more tech tutorials or programming majesticness, and yeah, follow Jesus, don't quit, and see you in next one. Bye.